Hello, good morning friends. In this video, we will talk about the Java interview questions which are mainly asked by interviewer. Let's start the today's video. First question is, what is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystem. Question 2. Explain the main features of Java. Java is platform independent, object-oriented, and supports multi-threading and automatic memory management. Java is a platform independent, means Java can be run on multiple operating systems. Like when we write any code, then make we can run on any operating system. And if we uh, uh, on this .class file, we can run on any uh, other operating system. So it is platform independent. Object oriented means in Java there is a class and object, and supports multi-threading and automatic memory management. Question then, what is the purpose of the final keyword? Final keyword is used to make a variable, method, or class unmodifiable. For variables, it makes them constants. For methods, it prevents overriding, and for classes, it prevents inheritance. What is the use of the super keyword in Java? The super keyword is used to refer to the immediate parent class. Means super keyword means it shows the its parent class and properties. Another question is, what is the difference between abstraction and encapsulation? Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details and showing only the necessary features, while encapsulation is the bundling of data and methods that operate on the data into a single method. Uh, Abstraction means hiding the implementation part and only show the output to the user. There is no need to show the backward processes, only show the outputs. And encapsulation means there is a binding of a classes and object methods in the one unit. What is thread in Java? A thread is the smallest unit of execution in a program. Java supports multi-threading, allowing multiple threads to run concurrently. What is the difference between GTK, JRE, and JVM? Answer: JDK means Java Development Kit, is a software development kit. JRE means Java Runtime Environment, is the runtime environment. And JVM means Java Virtual Machine, is the virtual machine where Java program runs. Another question is, what is the difference between array list and linked list? Array list uses a dynamic array, while linked list uses a double linked list. Array list is better for random access, while linked list is more efficient for insertion and deletions. Array list uses a dynamic array, means using the array list we can make a dynamic array. Actually, in a simple array we can make a static array, and through the array list we make the dynamic array. And in a linked list uses a double linked list. A double linked list, why there is also data and its address. Array list is better for random access, while the linked list is more efficient for insertion and deletion. What is the significance of the static keyword in Java? The static keyword is used to create class level variables or methods. It means they belong to the class rather than any specific instance. What is the difference between double equal to and dot equals in Java. Double equal to compares object reference, while dot equals compares the content of the object. Methods needs to be overridden or custom objects. Explain the concept of a methods overloading and method overriding. Method overloading means there is a multiple methods having different names, having same names but different parameters. Method overloading can be implemented in a single class, and while method overriding implemented in parent-child relationship class. And method in the method overloading, there is the method area in which all the signatures of the methods are copied, so that we can found that if same parameter same name method we generate, then we gets the error. Another question is, what is the try catch block used for? Try catch block is used for uh, to handle the exception. In try block, we mainly write the our part of code who will generate the exception, and in catch block, whatever the exception throw in the try block is captured by the in the catch block, and after catching the exception, then the code writes in the catch body will execute. What is the purpose of the finally block? The finally block is used to execute code that must be run whether an exception is thrown or not. It is often used for cleanup operations. What is the this keyword in Java? This keyword refers to the current instance of the class. It is used to differentiate instance variables from local variables when they have same name. Question is the concept of a garbage collections in Java. Garbage collection is the process of automatically reclaiming the memory occupied by objects that are no longer reachable in the program, helping to manage memory efficiently. What is the purpose of the transient keyword in Java? Transient means the keyword, the variable which we have to exclude in runtime is to indicate that a variable should not be serialized during the object serialization. Means when we make an object and all the variables will assign, then we should uh, ignore that variable. The value of the transient variable is not persisted. It means not getting focus on the variable which is transient. How does a Java support multiple inheritance? Java supports multiple inheritance through interfaces. A class can implement multiple interfaces, allowing it to inherit the abstract methods defined in those interfaces. What is the purpose of the synchronize keyword? Synchronize keyword is used to control access to critical sections by multiple threads. It ensures that only one thread can access the synchronized code block or method at a time. What is purpose of the synchronize keyword? Here guys, synchronize keyword means is to control access to critical sections by multiple threads. Synchronize keyword is used to control access to critical sections by multiple threads. It ensures that only one thread can access the synchronized code block or a method at a time. It means whenever in our application, if there is a multiple thread running simultaneously, then at a time the synchronized keyword uh, implies that there is if multiple threads are running in background, then on then the writing or including the methods which is synchronized will only executed by one thread, and another thread will stop the execution. The priority gets to the thread which runs the synchronize method, and further after the execution of the synchronize method, all thread will run simultaneously. What is the difference between throw and throws in Java? Throw is used to explicitly throw an exception, while throw is used in method declaration to indicate that the method might throw certain exception and should be handled by the caller. Throw is used to explicitly means not manually throw an exception, while throw is in method declaration to indicate that the method might throw certain exception and should be handled by the caller. Throw is used to explicitly throw an exception, while throws is used in method declaration to indicate that the method might throw certain exception. Throw is used in the handling the exception in the body of the main class, while or the body of the method, while throws is right after the main class at the method declaration. Throw is inside the body, and it generally suggests that there may be or uh, explicitly throw an exception. Another question is, what are lambda expressions in Java? Lambda expressions introduced in Java 8 provide a concise way to express anonymous functions. They are used primarily to define inline implementation of a functional interface. Lambda expressions introduced in Java 8 provide a concise way to express anonymous function. They are used primarily to define inline implementation of a functional interface. Lambda expression introduced in Java 8 provide a concise way to express anonymous function. They are used primarily to define inline implementation of the functional interface. Thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.